Hey guys, how's it going? Today I wanted to show you a working way on pretty much how I get free Instagram followers in 2020. As you guys can see, getting my followers into my account right now, and this is a working method, and we're going to download the followers app and get these free followers to our Instagram account. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's going to be super easy. And as you guys can see, more are coming in right now. And I've used this for quite a while, and as you can see, already got 14.6k followers on Instagram. And yeah, you pretty much just go through this, and you're going to be able to do this method by yourselves, and you guys are going to be able to get these free followers. So as you can see, 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago, of just heaps and heaps of followers. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now, and let's get into the tutorial. Alrighty guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to install this plus followers app. And what this will allow you to do is just simply go onto your Instagram account and just hit on add followers, and it's going to start to add followers to your Instagram account. So we're going to get this app. You obviously, it's super easy. You just type in your username and we go ahead and press add followers. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this plus followers app. It's free to download, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Before we get started, there are some things we need to do on our Instagram account though. As you guys can see, it's just going to continually add followers to my account. But there are some things we need to make sure on Instagram before we go. Also, before we go and do that, went ahead and go over to this little dash over here, and we're going to go to settings on our account, go to privacy, and make sure that our account is not private, guys. Now, our account cannot be private for this to work. You will not be able to add the followers. The people won't be able to follow you. So make sure that's all good. Go around and here, once that's checked, that should be the last setting for us. We can then head over and go to our settings on our phone. And if you're on iPhone, go to general, go down to background app refresh, and make sure this is on. If you're on Android, just go look for background app refresh or app refresh or something like that. Make sure this is on. This will allow you to install the plus followers app onto our phone. Alrighty, so then our next step, guys, is simply to head over to your Google Chrome or your Safari browser on your phone or iPad, and you want to go to App Lob. So type that in, guys, App Lob. You can type the .com or go to Google, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you get to here, you're going to see App Lob tweak your device. Go ahead to the search bar, you go to the search bar, or literally just click the first one right there. You're going to see plus follower. Free Instagram followers, iOS, Android. Click on that, and this should load this little thing. You're going to see the little icon. You're going to see apps required. Just press start installation, and guys, this will then begin to install the plus followers app onto our phone. So just press, it just says installing right now. It says downloading. You guys can see starting install. Okay, just wait for this to finish, guys. Perfect, so it's going to take you to this last page, and it's going to take you to the plus followers thing. So to actually install the application, we're going to actually download this through the Apple Store through these other applications. So the plus followers app will be downloaded through the Apple Store through other free applications. Just follow along what I'm doing. It's super easy. All these apps are free and don't cost you a thing. So just go ahead and do that. We'll download that one. Go back to that same page. To get the plus followers up, let's do another one. Now you guys want to do at least 2 of these for this to work. Go to the Apple Store again. And yeah, like I said, because this plus followers app isn't available through like the Apple Store, you can't go search it, you have to get it through App Lob. This is the only way to download it. Alrighty, so once you've got that, guys, you want to go ahead and open up these 2 applications up. Once you've done that, that will actually make sure to install the plus followers application on your phone. Once you've got the plus followers application, go ahead, log into your account, and just press add followers. Once you've pressed add followers, you should then go back into Instagram application, and you'll have all the followers come in. So it's going to continually add followers to your account. As you guys can see, I'm just consistently getting followers. Now, if you want them to stop, just go back to the plus followers app and press it again for it to stop. But I'm going to keep adding followers here today to show you guys. And yeah, it's literally that easy. You can follow these guys back, and you're just continually get followers on your Instagram account. So guys, literally the easiest way on how to get free Instagram followers in 2020 working right now. And you guys can go follow these people back and all that. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you need help, leave a comment below.